Start.
Hello guys, today we are making slime and this video is going to be very fun, and this is the slime kit which my mom has taken from Amazon. So let's start to make the slime, and it's gonna be very much fun, and let's unbox it. Okay, now it has one red color glue, two yellow color glue, three blue color glue, and four invisible white color glue, and this is the activator. Okay, and I have one black bowl here and one spoon. That ask your mom, dad for it. It can be in your kitchen. Now let's make the slime. It's gonna be very fun. So I am gonna make this color. I'm choosing this color. Oh my god. So we will take it 5 or 4 spoons. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Okay, now we have added some glue inside the ball. Now we will give the activator here. It's tight. Okay, you give that. Okay, now we are mixing it. Now slowly it's becoming slime. You can hear the sounds. We have to just mix it properly. And our slime is done. Now we will borrow it. Oh my god. Oh wow. Now it's a slime. If it is left in the spoon, you just do it like this. Now it's a slime, but it's very sticky. Oh my god. It's very much sticky. And look guys, it's slime. Bye bye guys. Like the video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.